What's up, fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on Netgas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what do we have right here? Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Now, this is the pullback I was expecting and which is really awesome. Another process of a buy signal. Now, at this point, if let's say the price forms a bullish engulfer, that can be a very next candle. Nice one. So as you can see, with this bullish engulfing candle, price has pushed up nicely. But I have not taken this as an entry because the price opened down in gap. That is why when I see gap up or gap down opening followed by a bullish condition, I stay away. Even though it nicely pushed up, that is a valid condition. If you are my student in MMTA course, you know that is a valid pullback entry bullish. And also if you are learning here on my YouTube channel, that nicely pushed the price. As you can see how nicely the price is pushing up from the anchor levels nicely. As you can see, first it pushed up from here, then it pushed up from this anchor level, and now price just made a new high, which is right here, which is awesome. And that is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see it for a bullish continuation. Now we are getting and heading towards a bearish area, which is right up there, so we need to be cautious here, and also heading towards 1.618 retracement, which is right here if you have entered with the Fibonacci retracement entry. Now at this point we are about to hit a level of minor resistance, not a major one but a good level from where the price has previously reacted nicely as a support and resistance. That is why I'm expecting some good reaction out of this area. Now wherever price hit the zone, I will still go for my entry. Doesn't matter if it's Oanda, doesn't matter if it's Capital.com or Nemex. Now here on Oanda, in case you're brand new, the zone here is 2.317, that goes up to 2.474. A zone here on Capital.com 2.498, that goes up to 2.595. On Nemex 2.359, that goes up to 2.489. Wherever you are trading, all you need to look for a valid condition. That can be if the price forms a green and a red bearish candle, an engulfing candle. In that case, we'll have an aggressive entry. Or if the price forms something like this, an M shape or a double top pattern, in that case we'll have a strong sell signal and price will likely give us a good pullback. That is enough to hit your 1.421 target easily. 1-to-1 is totally up to you. Initially I set 1-to-1 targets and 1 ATR and then manage it accordingly till this anchor level, from where we can get another possible breakup and hit a next. Price will likely hit the next level of resistance, which I'm going to mark and mention in my upcoming videos. Let the price break this zone first. Till then, let's wait for the price to hit this zone, form some condition, take a chunk of sell trade, and then move ahead and ride along with a trend. So a good bullish momentum, and in this type of good trend, we have a good chance that with a strong bullish momentum, price will likely give us a pullback and then likely break above this zone as well, which is likely, which I'm expecting as well. So that is what I'm looking at. Now at this point, let's say the price did not make it to the zone and start to give us a pullback again, and then if we have a bullish engulfer again, we're gonna go long. If the price gave us a big pullback, we don't need to get alarmed above 50 EMA and forms a bullish engulfer. In that case, that will be strong entry conditions. So that's why very important to keep your stop loss and take profit. Both look for these conditions on all three platforms: the pullback, bullish engulfer. Keep on taking long till the zone above I've mentioned, from where we're going to look for a double top or bearish entry conditions. So keep an eye, have these zones ready on your charts. On Nemex, I want to see a push up. If there is no entry condition and price give us a normal pullback followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to go for another long trade. I'm only going to enter my sell trade if the price give me a reason like a bearish engulfer, so double top entry condition. If there is no reason, I'm not going to enter my trade. So wait for that. Have these zones on your charts. Have this green zone on your charts as well, which I've mentioned already in my previous video, so that in case of dramatic push down, it is a zone that will likely push the price up again. Keep an eye, these are the conditions now we'll be looking at. We are in a good bullish momentum and price will likely to push up, hit the zone, pull back, and then likely to make another higher high till we are in the major zone, from where we're going to look for a good reversal. Next up, we have silver. I've just readjusted the zone, which is right here, of silver. Now at this point, silver has given us a nice pullback as mentioned in my last video. From here, as you can see, 28 was in ATR, and at the close, price pushed down easily. 43, which is more than 1 ATR, 1.2 ATR has been hit at this point. So at this point, what I'm expecting, we can also get a possible double top pattern, which is right here. And if the price forms a double top without a candle to close above this first top, in that case you'll have a valid double top pattern. Wick is allowed to go above, but if the body closes above, in that case we'll start to look for the bullish continuations. Wait for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long. But if the price falls above 50 EMA, in that case I'm going to go long again. And if we have a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA, that will be a valid buy signal, and price will likely push up and forms a condition up in this area. So sell trade will be from here, a double top. Buy trade will be above 50 EMA, must be below this low, and must form a bullish engulfing pattern. Next up we have gold. Nice pullback that we were expecting, and that is good that we are getting a good pullback. So at this point, if the next candle forms a bullish engulfer, that will be a valid buy signal, and I will go 1 ATR, which is $12 at this point, and then manage it accordingly. Now if we have a next candle after that, let's say if this candle is closed, and after that we have red candle that closed below 50 EMA, and next candle goes back up above 50 EMA and turns to be a bullish engulfing candle, that will be still a valid buy signal, and I will go long. You can manage it till recent high, but 1 ATR will be your initial targets, and then a zone above will be an area from where we can expect a possible good pullbacks. So have these zones ready on your charts. Look for a bullish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go long, and we can also get a retest of this triangle pattern before the price will push up if we have a bullish engulfer above this pattern. Lastly, we have crude oil. Crude oil is still struggling to break above the zone and also above 50 EMA. That is why I'm not taking any trades at this point. If you look here, if you are my student, this would be a valid bearish entry, and that would have easily hit your take profit that follows all our rules. Now at this point, I'm only going to enter crude oil once the price break this little channel. Once we are broken above, only then I'll start to look for my buy trades. Otherwise I'm not taking any trades broke above or break down below this low. In that case I will go short. Above I will go long. We are still not bearish, as we are still above this green zone. We are not broken below this green zone, and price has also formed a kind of double bottom pattern, so that is also a bullish pressure. That is why I still wait for a condition that price will break above, and then I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish, or use this zone for the retest, and the price will likely push up from here. So wait for that. Once we have a breakout, only then we're going to look for our next condition. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently, and you can also join Money Marcus family. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.